Hey, it's Dustin, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to double the profit on your haircuts without raising your prices, so stick with me. As a salon or spa professional, your prices are set, which means you can only make a certain amount of money with the amount of hours that you have in a day. And that's why most salon coaches are gonna encourage you to sell retail. Now, before we get into my strategy, let me talk to you about retail for just a minute. Now, traditionally, hair care products just go with part of the salon culture. Of course, you're going to sell shampoo, conditioners, and sprays in your salon. And this is a great idea because it's increasing your price per customer ticket. And that's what you want to do to be able to increase your profit. Now, selling hair care products in a salon is a no-brainer. Of course, you want to send your clients home with some good shampoo and conditioner to help them to keep that salon experience at their home. It also helps with client retention, and it's going to boost your profits, so it's a no-brainer. But I want to help you with a strategy that's going to help you increase your price per ticket and actually be able to double the profit that you get from every haircut, and that's with CBD. Now, before you click off this video, I want you to hear me out. Now, you already know that I'm a hair salon owner, but something you probably don't know about me is that I'm also a hemp farmer. My partner Albert and our families together grow 10 acres of hemp, we extract the CBD oil, and we make our own CBD products. From our hemp plants, we extract some of the best, most premium CBD oil that money can buy. And that's why our clients love taking our CBD oil, because it helps them with their anxiety, with their minor aches and pains, helps them get a better night's sleep. And we all know in our society right now, people are stressed out. And so they're looking for a natural remedy that's gonna be able to help them with those things, like getting a better night's sleep and with their anxiety. Our clients love the taste and they love the results. Now, here's the deal. A lot of other premium CBD brands like ours on the internet are retailing bottles like this for $150 or more. And so I want to show you a strategy to be able to help you make a lot of money in your salon by selling CBD with our salon intro. Now, in our salon intro, you're going to get everything that you see right here on this display. You're going to get 12 bottles of premium CBD oil. I've got 3 flavors: bubblegum, natural, and mint flavors. And you're going to be able to sell those right there in your salon. In addition, I'm going to give you this nice little display. It has 12 different spots where you can put your CBD bottles in there to display. It's a tiered system, so everything's displayed really nicely. And then in addition to that, you're gonna get a card with double-sided tape that's going to stick real nice right here. It's gonna be eye-catching, and you can stick it right next to your point of sale, right where customers are paying for their hair services, and this is gonna catch their eye and they're gonna ask about CBD, or you can just let them know about the CBD. Now, something cool about this is I've left this area blank where you can write in your price with a magic marker or a dry erase marker. I'm offering everything that you see here in this intro for only $299. That means you're getting each bottle in the intro for less than $25, which gives you amazing margins to make a lot of money. In addition, I'm going to enter you into our wholesale program, which means if you want to restock your shelf with just 1 CBD bottle or 100 CBD bottles, you'll be locked in at the future price of only $30 per bottle. Now, my recommendation is you mark up your CBD bottles whatever you charge for a haircut. So if you charge $40 for a haircut, then you're gonna mark these bottles up $40, which means you're gonna sell them retail for $70. If your haircut prices are $60, then your retail price on these bottles is gonna be $90. Now, you have the freedom and the flexibility to deviate from that all that you want. I've just found that that is the sweet spot because your customers know that they're gonna be charged from other CBD brands $150 plus for a bottle just like this, so they feel like they're getting a deal, but you also are making an incredible margin. You're making the same price that you would on a haircut by selling one of these bottles, so everybody wins. In addition, when you sign up for our salon intro and become part of our wholesale program, you have full access to me. You can ask any questions about CBD. We'll give you our support email, and any questions you have about CBD or our products or how to use them or anything, you can just email in and I'll respond right away. The whole thing is really easy. This is a 30 milliliter supply. You'll take 1 milliliter per serving. Most people use 1 serving per day or 2 servings per day, so this will either last them 15 or 30 days. But all you do is you take 1 milliliter, you just stick it under your tongue, let it absorb there for 60 to 90 seconds, swallow the rest, and that's your daily dose of CBD. It's really easy to take. The flavors that we offer are great. Natural flavor actually doesn't even taste very hempy. It tastes a little bit hempy, but we've used CBD distillate, which means it's not crude oil, so it doesn't have that really nasty hempy taste. So even our natural flavor actually tastes pretty good. But for those that don't want the natural flavor, we also offer it mint and bubblegum, which is actually my favorite. If you'd like to purchase the Salon Intro of CBD and become part of our wholesale program, all you have to do is just click the link right down in the description or go to greenmethodfarms.com/wholesale, and that will get you a button where you can purchase the intro. The intro will be shipped out priority mail in 2 days. You'll receive those. You'll get the sticker. This is a really easy setup. You can have it right there on your point of sale, right next to your cash register in your salon, and begin selling right away. So if you like the idea of increasing your salon profits and doubling the income you get on your haircuts, then please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to this channel where I'll have more videos on CBD and the benefits of CBD. I also have lots of videos on this channel about salon marketing, so subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about the intro, about our wholesale program, or about CBD in general, go ahead and put those in the comment section below. I'll answer those all myself. Thanks again for watching, and make today extraordinary.
I have tried the tincture that I bought from Dustin, Green Method Farms. I had trouble sleeping and sometimes I get anxiety, so I've taken this and it's really helped immensely. I highly recommend it. It doesn't make you feel weird, it just relaxes you so much. So please buy this. This is the best I've ever had.
I had quite a bit of joint pain, especially in my shoulder, and had struggles sleeping through the night. And since using Green Method, I've been sleeping much better and my shoulder pain is gone.